Hello guys, welcome to Average Student. In this video, we will go over how to simplify roots of negative numbers. So here's our example. How do we take a square root of negative 49? So as some of you might know, you can't take a square root of a negative number. If you try and use a calculator to take a square root of negative 49, it will give you an error. So in this case, when this happens, we're going to apply radical rule. So let me show you what radical rule is. So here's a radical rule, which basically says if you have a negative a under a square root, it can also be written as negative 1 square root times negative a square root. So let's use this radical rule and rewrite negative 49 square root. So we can do that by writing it like this. Okay, so this is what it looks like when we rewrite it. Now, from this, we do know what the square root of 49 is, which is 7, right? However, we don't know what a square root of negative 1 is. So in this case, we're going to use imaginary number rule. So imaginary number rule says square root of negative 1 is equal to I times square root of 1. So we know what square root of 1 is. It's just 1. So we can rewrite this as I times just 1. So I times 1 is just I, right? So technically square root of negative 1 is just equal to just I. This is our imaginary number rule. So using imaginary number rule, we can say square root of negative 1 is equal to just I. Now square root of negative 49 is equal to, we said square root of negative 1 is just I, so I times, we said square root of 49 is 7, so 7. And our final answer will be 7i. And this is how you simplify roots of negative number. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching.